us. Because lo nyaka lona unyaka wena oyitshela ukuthi unyaka wakha kanti unyaka ukuthi kwakhe izinto zakho uyibhekise ngakwena ngoba kunabantu abaningi akade bekuzame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ungaphili but bahluleka. But this year they will abort that. They'll let the system kill you. Because once bakuyeka bangalobe kulandela bangalobe kuhlupha, you stop protecting yourself, you'll put your guards down, you'll put your guards down, meaning that uzoba more relaxed ngoba uthi hayi seku right amarazo right amarazo shibiza nawe uyabamba sihamba nazo ingane ngeqinisa right amarazo kanti they are collecting a disease for you that will accumulate and augment and then explode within your internal vital organs. Kulo nyaka kwa 2026 baningi abantu abenze kahle sababongela ngayo yonke indlela but ukusebenza kwabo kuzophelela ku-2026 because u-2026 it is scheduled to be one of the hardest. It is scheduled to be one of the hardest because believe you me kungcono ngisho ukuhamba endaweni ekhuphuka nehle la kunokuhamba endaweni straight. Indawo straight idonsa imsipha la ngemuva because umzimba mama sela akukho laba uyakwazi ukurelaxa khona ku straight engisho ukuthi ukujima osekwendo olwandle kunzima kakhulu nokujima eintabeni wehla wenyo because umzimba adjusta ngayo yonke indlela. Engisho ukuthi don't relax a lot. Believe you me labantu laba kade ubabiza ngabangani bakho today babiza about as if abantu baziyo, not ukuthi you still recognize them or endorse them as if are your friends. Believe you me izinto are not going to be easy the way people they portray. To lose a job it to be like losing a toilet paper somewhere else, and amacala ucanga ukuthi uzowawina kwase-CMA they ain't going to be ready for you. Reason why South Africa has no time because now we are planning ukuthi sifuna ukuya kuma-election. Everybody is skeptic. Asazi kunama amaqembu athi awazi ulungenela ukhetho la 2026. Kunama amaqembu asaxabana nangamanje ngaphakathi. Kunama amaqembu asabanga i-election yobuholo obukhona njengamanje kuzoyiwa kanjani kuma-elections namaqembu kanjani. Engisho ukuthi lo nyaka it's going to be one of the conflict year you can ever imagine. It's one of the njengamanje last year we had children abahambe baya emazweni angaphandle bayolwa ngicela ungasebenzisa igama lezo but I'm not too sure ukuthi bobuya in one piece. More likely they'll come in body bags if it happened. This is 2026 nabazali abangawudlanga kahle uChristmas ingane zabo ze-AWOL ze-abstention zikhe emakhaya abazobuya nina akekho zivuma akekho ngazivuma. Engisho ukuthi this year 2026 sizocela ukuthi udlale izinto zakho ngendlela okuyiyona and start to suspect noma ngabe yini ezibuza ukuthi kwalula kangaka why it is so easy. Start to suspect kunomuntu okhiyeke ngonyaka odlule manje lo muntu usemi kanje kwena zibuza ukuthi lo muntu waseba nothando loyiqinisa ngako uJanuary